Yo YouTube, what up? GSNCards here, coming back at you with the first box, 2008 Gridiron Gear Football. Good luck to everyone who joined. It's my last group break. Off the bat, Andre Caldwell for the Bengals, numbered out of 250. Chris Cooley for the Redskins out of 100. Warren Moon for the Vikings, low numbered out of 25. And numbered out of 100 for the Cardinals, Larry Fitzgerald. I'm hoping can this be a possible hot box, guys? There's a Cardinals. I did get one hot box once before. That would be pretty sick. A rookie for the Bengals, Simon Castile to $9.99. For the Bengals, TJ Husmanzada jersey out of 100. So definitely a hot box. We got what up for the Cardinals, Charlie Trippi, numbered out of 500. So this is pretty cool. Hopefully we can get everyone some hits here. For the Titans, wow, sick patch, guys. Really nice patch for the Titans. Who has them? Chris Johnson, 3-color jumbo patch, numbered out of 50 for the Titans. That's really nice. A lot of times when you get the hot box, you get those single color crappy jerseys, but Mark Clayton for the Ravens at a 250, but we got a nice patch there. And that one will go to Matt Fern, who also has the Vikings. Numbered out of 100 for the Broncos and the Redskins, Clinton Portis. That'll get random. Both teams are on the back, as you can see, but Clinton Portis. Can't even really see the jerseys too much, but the jerseys are there. No Patriots hits yet, but we did get a hot box for Gridiron. We got a rookie for the Cowboys, Marty Ellis Bennett to $9.99. So how many packs left? 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 packs remaining. No autos yet. Wow, really nice. I wish it was autographed, but very nice card. What is this number to 50 right there? For the Bears, triple jersey, football, and jersey of Matt Forte. Card Dog 23, there you go. Nice card. So we got that Forte and the jumbo patch was really nice. And for the Falcons, Harry Douglas jersey. I saw Falcons, immediately thought of Matt Ryan, but there's a jersey. It's always fun opening up hot boxes, I must admit. Hot boxes are usually single color jerseys, like I said, but this one's nice. Just an insert, numbered out of 100. Patriots, Cowboys, Randy Moss, Terrell Owens. For the Chiefs, Brody Croyle at a 250. For the Browns, Braylon Edwards to 100. Game used jersey. And a Ray Rice Next Generation for the Ravens at a 500. 3 packs remaining. Nothing for the Chargers yet. A rookie for the Broncos, Peyton Hillis. That's numbered to 999. Yeah. And here's our auto. Cedric Ellis for the Saints. Rookie auto at a 250. Nice rookie auto. Final pack. And another rookie auto for the Jets. That's me. Eric Ainge rookie auto. Numbered at a 250. So, there we go. Nice box overall. Let me get to the patch real quick for a quick recap on YouTube. We got this. The Matt Forte. And we got this. Chris Johnson. So we'll be back with the next box. Leaf Limited. Stay tuned. GSN Cards is out.